In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recategorize multiple transactions in QuickBooks Online. If you need to clean up your books quickly and move several transactions from one category to another at the same time, QuickBooks Online gives you a simple way to do that using the Reclassify Transactions tool. This can save a lot of time compared to opening each transaction one by one and editing them individually. To get started, log into QuickBooks Online and look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the gear icon there. Go ahead and click that icon to open your Settings and Tools menu. This is where QuickBooks keeps several helpful features for managing your company file. From the menu, select Reclassify Transactions. This tool is designed specifically to help you review and move transactions in bulk, which is especially useful if something was posted to the wrong account and you want to correct multiple entries at once. Once you're in the Reclassify area, look to the left side of the screen. You'll see a list of accounts. Choose the account that currently contains the transactions you want to recategorize. This step is important because you're first identifying where the transactions are now before moving them somewhere else. After selecting the account, QuickBooks will show you the transactions associated with it. Take a moment to review the list carefully so you can confirm you're working with the correct items. Then check the boxes next to each transaction you want to reclassify. You can select as many as needed, which makes this process very efficient when fixing multiple mistakes at once. When you've selected the transactions, click the Reclassify button at the top of the page. QuickBooks will then prompt you to choose the new category account. Select the account you want these transactions to be moved to. Make sure you choose the correct destination account, since this change will affect how those transactions appear in your financial reports. Once you confirm the new category, QuickBooks will reclassify those selected transactions for you. And that's it! You've successfully recategorized multiple transactions in QuickBooks Online. This is a great feature to use whenever you're tidying up your bookkeeping and want a faster, more organized way to correct categorization errors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.